Welcome back to Eat Travel Fun. This is Mansi Oza, and in this video we are going to explore Bangalore with my nephew, and we are going to see some of the exciting new and some of the old landmarks of Bangalore.
From a sunny weather to monsoon in Bangalore, start of the trip was a bit gloomy, but we changed it by heading to a fun zone.
Hey guys, I'm at E Zone, and right now we are going to do go-karting. Naksh, are you excited? Yes, we will be doing go-karting, which is here, and we'll be taking as many laps as possible in 10 minutes. But apart from that, there are so many things which you can do here. There is bowling, there is arcade, there's laser tag, so we'll be doing a lot of fun here.
After a short briefing on go-kart safety and how to drive, we got ready to drive our karts. After doing some good amount of laps in 10 minutes, we headed to Play Zone to play some games and have lots and lots of fun.
So today morning we have come to Heritage and Aerospace Museum. In short, it is called HAL Museum. यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे planes display पे है और काफ़ी सारी aerospace की details है. So let's go and check it out how exactly it is.
It is one of a kind museum in India to showcase the growth of aviation industry in India along with outdoor display of aircraft such as H2, Kiran, Lakshya and many more. It's a place for aviation and history enthusiasts. It is a huge space and has a children's play area and a garden to spend time with your kids and educate them about the aviation industry of India.
Finally, after a long drive, almost half an hour to 45 minutes, we are now reached Bangalore Palace. So we will be exploring Bangalore Palace.
Bangalore Palace is located in the middle of the city. It was a private residence of Royal Vodeyar family and was constructed in 1987. As you walk through Bangalore Palace, you can see the collection of photographs showcasing the history of the palace and the royal family. You can also opt for the free audio guide to know in depth of each and every part of the palace and history behind its construction.
after a tour of Bangalore Palace, now we are having some fun in the snow city.
After visiting educator spots of Bangalore, we headed to experience winters of North in Snow City. साउथ में रहने वालों को विंटर्स काफी कम एक्सपीरियंस होता है और स्नो देखने मिलता ही नहीं है, इसलिए स्नो सिटी जैसी जगह बहुत बेस्ट रहती है टू हैव सम स्नो फन. Entry is every half an hour as per the time slots and you can spend as much time inside as you want. Before we enter, they also hand over the jackets, boots and gloves to protect us from the snow and the cold temperature. You can play in the snow, head inside the igloo or do the snow tubing. This place is a heaven for snow lovers. Before we say bye to Bangalore, it's time to eat authentic dosa at CTR Central Tiffin Zone.
If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section if you have been to these places. And don't forget to subscribe for your weekly dose of Eat Travel Fun.